On our Easter morning sunrise walk, we wandered down to our floodplain, and where there's like a thin layer of ice on top of the water. And we started throwing sticks in it just to break the ice for fun. But one of the times the stick didn't go through and instead like skated along and made a really cool noise. I think what's happening is that this ice didn't freeze completely flat. There's some little like ridges in it. And I think it's these sticks are hitting those ridges is what's causing the noise. I just turned the microphone gain up. Hopefully that'll be easier to hear. These are also bigger sticks, so they make louder noises. And like a deeper sound as opposed to smaller sticks, which also make a very higher pitched sound. Though I think the essence of the sound was captured, what is replayed here is not the full sound that occurred. When I turned up the microphone, more of the sound came across, but it was still missing the lower frequencies of sound that the sticks were making. The whole sound was much more ethereal than what is present in the recording. These photos were some that I took while out doing this filming. Our field was covered with robins searching around for food.